Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing super duper great. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be recreating this look right here, inspired by KKW and Mario collaboration. I am really in love with this eye look, so I thought of creating my version of it. So here it goes. So guys, the first step is priming the face, and I'm using INDULGEO rose gold oil for the dewy finish. And now I have done my brows. To start off my eye makeup, I'm using a brown color for my crease, and I'm just defining and contouring my crease using this NYX eyeshadow pencil. It's a very creamy eyeshadow pencil. I am applying my eyeshadow base, and now I'm gonna be layering this eyeshadow with this Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking the royal blue shade from this one, and I'm applying it all over that cream base. After blending that blue eyeshadow, I'm using a fluffy blending brush, and I'm blending all the harsh edges and also taking the blue eyeshadow onto my lower lid. Now, just to pop out that blue eyeshadow even more, I'm using this MAC eyeshadow, and I'm just layering this eyeshadow over the previous base. And again, I'm just softening all my edges using this fluffy blending brush. Taking Bobby Brown gel eyeliner, I'm just lining my eyes. I'm applying a very thin liner. For my base and face makeup, first I'm doing the color correcting. I'm going to be mentioning all the concealer shades in the description box, so do check it out. Now I'm taking my skin color concealer and applying on all usual parts of my face, and I'm just blending it with the help of a sponge. Taking the combination of two foundations, I've applied foundations on my face, and now I'm contouring my face using a brown shadow. After contouring my nose, I'm going to highlight using the BECCA Champagne Pop. Finishing off with this light blush and Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick, I am done with my look. I really like the way it turned out, and I really hope you too. I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.